Emma, remember hospitals need quiet voices.
I know, Dad, it's just...
This is Emma. She thinks the rules do not apply to her, and her bad manners cause trouble for everyone. And this is Lucy. She is polite, patient, and always treats others with respect. Who will make the hospital a better place? Let's find out. But first, watch Emma's story. Then Lucy's will come.
It's so boring here.
Patience and respect, Emma, for everyone around us.
I hate waiting around forever.
We won't be long. Just be polite.
Excuse me, miss. Please move aside now. Everyone can just go around. No, everyone can just go around me. You're blocking the entrance for patients. It's a big door, just walk past me. Please, step away from the sensors. Emma, move immediately. You are blocking his way.
My wheel is completely stuck.
I barely touched the door, Mom. Just move out of the doorway right now.
Thank you. I was afraid of falling.
You're making a big problem. Out of absolutely nothing, I swear. Wait, what is that? An empty wheelchair sitting by the wall. This place is so boring anyway. I could ride that for fun. This is going to be great. Out of my way, everyone! Look at me go! I am so fast! Best hospital visit ever! Watch your step! Whoa, watch out!
I am so sorry about her.
Goodness, you frightened me half to death.
Are you hurt at all, sir?
I'm okay, just shaken up.
Emma, that is enough fooling around.
Stop right there, young lady. Hey, let go of my ride. Wheelchair for patients who need them. There are plenty of other wheelchairs available. You can't play with medical equipment. Oh, you have got to be kidding. Look at this massive, ridiculous line. I'm not standing here all day. Excuse me, coming through. Excuse me, we are all waiting. We are about the line. I don't care about the line. You can't just walk to the front. I need to be helped first, okay? We are all waiting patiently, then tell them to Wethlum, then tell them to work faster. I need help now. Please return to the end of the line. I refuse! This hospital is too slow! I can't help you out of turn. You are just standing there doing nothing! I'm serving the next patient. This is terrible service! Emma, keep your voice down. Don't grab me like that! People here may be in pain or frightened. Their problems are not my responsibility. You are causing a loud scene. I don't care. They need to hurry. Whoops, that was too hard. Oh well, not my problem. Look at this giant mess. They should organize. Please help pick these up right now. No, hospital staff should clean their own floor.
I am so sorry. I will get these for you.
Dad, stop cleaning their mess.
Emma, just be quiet.
I am not sharing seats. This hospital visit is a disaster. I want to go home.
Excuse me, may I sit down, please?
No, I'm not moving my things.
There are no other seats.
You should have arrived earlier.
My legs are tired.
That sounds like a personal problem. Here, ma'am, take this seat. Hey, what are you doing? My balloon deserved their space.
You do not need 2 chairs.
I was here first. Give them back.
Sit down and be quiet.
Silence my phone? Yeah, right. I am not sitting in silence. This video is so funny. I can't hear anything. Oh, that is absolutely hilarious! Nobody else is talking anyway.
Please lower the volume. My baby is sleeping.
No, move somewhere else if you want quiet.
We cannot move right now.
Then deal with it.
You just woke him up.
Maybe he shouldn't sleep here. Turn off the sound immediately, Emma. Fine, I am turning it down.
You are acting like a child.
Whatever, this place is awful. What did you say? This hospital is awful. Listen to that funny sound.
That is cruel and disrespectful.
I was only joking, Dad.
Mocking sick people is never funny.
He sounds like a machine.
Apologize to him right now.
Look at all this gel. It feels so weird. Oh, it is spilling over. That's way too much. The floor is slippery now. Not my problem, honestly.
Please stop! Someone could slip on this!
Cleaning is your job.
You made a huge mess!
I am walking away now.
You cannot leave it like this!
Watch me. It's your responsibility. What does this machine do? There are so many buttons. I wonder what this does. Oh, that made a light. This looks so complicated. Let's try this one. Please, stop touching that immediately. I was only curious. Hospital equipment is never a toy. I wasn't playing with it. You cannot just press random buttons. Fine, I will just walk away. She is not looking anymore. What does this big dial do? Let's turn it slightly. Oh no! What did I do? That is a loud noise. How do I stop it?
What happened here?
It was an accident, I swear.
Did you trigger this alarm?
I barely even touched the dial.
This is a critical care machine.
Not my fault it is sensitive. Interfering with equipment puts patients at risk. Emma, your behavior is dangerous. You guys are dramatic. This is life and death. Take this seriously. I said it was an accident! Why does everyone whisper in here? I hate being told what to do. This hospital is way too quiet. Can't hear myself think. Mom, Dad, walk faster! I will talk. Let's see what is inside. Please respect patient privacy. I was only looking. You cannot open patient doors. It is not a fortress. Close the door immediately. Fine, I didn't see anything. I was only looking around. This hallway is so boring. I need a good background. Let me take one picture. Perfect, I look great today. My followers will love this. Excuse me, you must move. My video will take a minute. I cannot get past you. Squeeze by, I am done. You cannot stand wherever you please. I'm taking a selfie. Step aside right now.
Out of the way, move!
Everyone here is always rushing me!
I have a critical patient.
You almost knocked me over!
Please keep the hallway clear.
This place is a madhouse. Nobody has manners.
Workers deal with urgent situations.
Not my fault they are rushed.
You blocked the hallway, Emma.
The hallway is big enough.
You cannot stand wherever you please.
I did nothing wrong.
Start paying attention.
I am starving right now. These chips are good. Eating is not allowed here. I am just having a snack. It is a restricted zone. Nobody is being treated here. Put the chips away. She cannot tell me what to do. I will eat if I want. These are too delicious. Oops, there goes another. The floor is dirty. It is not a big deal.
Please use the trash bin.
Cleaning the floor is your responsibility.
You are making a mess.
Do your job and clean it.
You should not eat here.
I am leaving.
Pick up your trash.
Oh no, my bear!
Let me get that.
Please give it back.
Not so fast, kid.
That is my favorite toy.
I want to hold it.
Please give him back.
Give that back right now. I was just playing. You were making him cry. Everyone here is too sensitive. You are acting like a bully. It was just a harmless joke. Go sit down. Your behavior is disturbing patients. I will not apologize. You are interfering with our work. I am just standing here. You are upsetting everyone. Mind your business. Please leave. Now. You can't make me. This is the perfect angle. I am almost done recording. Hold on, give me a second. I just need one more take. Step aside immediately. We need to pass. No, I want to finish recording. This is an emergency. Move! We cannot wait. Move out. You're ruining my video.
Patient safety comes first. You cannot stay.
You have no right to touch me.
I am escorting you out.
I did not do anything wrong.
You are interfering with patient care.
This is completely unfair.
Walk with us. We are so sorry for the trouble.
Dad, do not apologize for me.
Emma, be quiet.
We will make sure she behaves.
I did not do anything.
You are embarrassing us.
This is completely unfair. Everyone here is against me.
Emma, you were given many chances.
Nobody gave me a chance, Dad.
We warned you to stop.
I was trying to have fun.
Your fun was hurting people.
They are dramatic.
Freedom doesn't mean ignoring safety.
I was not ignoring anything.
You treated them terribly.
I did not mean to.
Stand here and think.
They look busy.
They work hard.
I was in their way. They look so stressed. Maybe I made things harder. He is working so hard. Was I really the problem? No, they are too sensitive. But I caused a lot of trouble. I don't want to block the sensors.
You are very considerate.
It is polite to stay out.
We are in no hurry.
The path is clear. Oh, here comes a patient.
Thank you for making room.
Of course, take your time.
It is hard to navigate crowds.
You have plenty of space.
That's very kind.
Have a good day. Go ahead, I will hold it.
Thank you, Lucy.
I need to sanitize my hands.
That is a good habit.
Just one pump is enough. You're not wasting any. All clean now.
Wow, the line is very long. I will just wait my turn. I have my papers ready. There is no need to rush. The receptionist is doing her best. I can wait here patiently.
Hello, thank you for helping me.
You are very welcome. I need your ID.
Here are my documents. Perfect, everything is filled out. I listened to the instructions.
I wish everyone was as prepared.
Have a great day. Oh good, one seat left. I will just sit here. I will put my jacket on my lap. That way someone else can sit. It is important to share space. I do not need 2 chairs.
Please, take my seat. You look tired.
Thank you, dear.
Let me help you.
My legs are weak today.
You should rest them.
It is nice to see polite people.
I am happy to help.
Thank you so much, young lady.
You are very welcome.
I feel better sitting down.
I am glad I could help.
You have a kind heart.
I will stand over here.
Have a great day.
I should put this on silent. The sign says no loud phones. Oh, I am getting a call. I cannot answer it here. I need to find a designated area. I will go to the machines. Hello? Yes, I can talk right now. I am at the hospital right now. I had to step away to answer.
The doctor will see me soon.
I will call you back later. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Let me help you carry that. Thank you, I appreciate it.
It looks heavy.
My arms are so tired.
I can carry it for you.
You are a lifesaver right now.
It is no trouble.
Oh no, my bear!
Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you for getting him.
Do not put it on the floor.
Why can't I put him down?
The hospital floor has germs.
Okay, I will hold him.
We do not want you sick.
I do not like being sick.
Keep your bear off the ground.
I will keep him close.
That's a good idea. I am proud of you. Thank you, Mom. I need to follow the hand-washing rules. They have very strict guidelines here. Wow, that machine looks very complicated. I should not touch it. It is probably very expensive medical gear. I will just look at it from here. Excuse me, what does that machine do? It is a heart monitor. It looks very complicated.
It takes some training to operate. I did not want to touch it. That's very smart. Thank you for explaining. It monitors heart rates. Thank you for asking. Thank you for explaining it to me. It looks very complicated. Most people just push the buttons. I know that can be dangerous. It can mess up the settings. I will keep my hands away. That patient's door is closed. I should not try to peek. Everyone deserves their privacy in here. I would not want someone staring, especially if I was feeling sick. I will just walk past quietly. I hear someone coming behind me. A nurse is pushing a cart. I need to get out. I will press against the wall. There we go. The hallway is clear. She can get through easily. You look a little nervous.
I am scared of the doctor.
It is okay to feel nervous.
I don't like checkups.
I get nervous sometimes too.
Are you scared right now?
Brave people admit it. Let me tell you a story.
What kind of story?
It is about a brave bear.
Does he see the doctor?
Yes, he is very scared.
What happens then?
The doctor gives him a hug.
That sounds nice.
Thank you for calming him. He is a good listener. He was very anxious. A good story helps. You have a gentle way. I remember being scared. It really worked. I am glad he is calm.
Are you lost? Do you need help? I cannot find the cardiology department. I am not sure where it is. The signs are confusing. Let me walk to the desk. That's helpful. They will know where to send you. The desk is right over here. Thank you for helping me. It is no problem at all. I was starting to panic. The staff here will help you. I appreciate your kindness. I hope you find it soon. I will step around.
Thank you for being careful.
Thank you for keeping the hospital clean.
It is a tough job.
It looks very spotless now.
I appreciate you noticing.
We need people like you here. Oh no! I dropped my tissue.
Do not worry, I will get it.
No, I will pick it up. Into the bin it goes.
Thank you for being responsible.
I made the mess, so I clean it.
That's very polite.
Look at Lucy waiting in line. She is being patient. I would never wait that long. It is the polite thing. She is a goody two-sheets. She is being respectful. Everyone smiles at her because she is kind. She just gave up her seat. The old lady looks relieved. I would never give up my chair. People feel comfortable around her. They do not look stressed. She makes it look easy. Now she is returning a toy. I held that toy over a kid's head. That was mean of me. Lucy is so gentle with them. She is thanking the hospital workers too. I never thanked anyone here. Lucy does not follow rules for punishment. Then why is she acting like that? She understands that other people matter. I never thought about them. The nurses smile because she respects them. I caused stress. You can be different. I remember the old man at the door. He looked so scared of my wheelchair and the baby that started crying, the alarms I set off in the hallway. I was yelling at everyone. I really was causing trouble. I was only thinking about myself. I did not care if people were in pain. I just wanted my own way. That's why everyone asked me to stop. I was making everything worse. I need to act better. Everyone can learn better manners. Even someone like me? Yes, if you are willing to change. I was really awful today. You can make things right. I do not know how. It starts with an apology. I will try.